Good morning, this is Frela Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. A new subdivision, new construction cleaning. They hire us to do this brand new house. This house has been bought as a investing property. Is set as a vacation home. I'm sorry. Beautiful decoration, everything is spectacular. The builder already cleaned the property. The owners already buy the furniture and set. We are dealing with, I don't know if you can see, it's hard to see. Let's see if I can see. Did you see this? This is glue. We're dealing with some mineral deposit because we are in Florida, even though everything is brand new. The shower looks good, but we are dealing with haze. I don't know if you can see right here, haze. So this type of cleaning, you can see a lot of haze here. Let's see if I can. Okay, all this is haze. If you touch over there, that spot, if you touch the surface, is rough. The surface is rough. So we have to sanitize the bathroom, clean everything, remove paint from windows in and out, some tapes, window, paint, construction dust, some caulking here. Everything is dusty. It's construction dust. The blinds needs to be vacuum and clean. Open windows. Paint. The mirror, the finish of the mirror is really bad. You can see right away the fine dust here. I'm gonna bring my yellow cloth, clean and sanitize the game area. It needs to be vacuum the walls and sanitize everything. Everything is brand new. Mirrors, as I mentioned before, the builders clean, but you can see, I don't know if you can see. Let's see. It's hard to see, but some paint. Construction, this is a new construction. Clean the pool area, dust the ceiling fan, vacuum the sofas, the screens, the reels. Sí, claro. The owners hire the person in charge of decoration. Everything looks fantastic. But the finish and the cleaning is not good at all. Okay, so new construction means this is brand new, like Florida and the water. Construction cleaning means make the surface smooth, clean, without haze. There is a lot of haze. Haze is a white powder that you can see when they build a house. Let me see if I can shut off the light. Sometimes you can see better. Do you see that? Let's see. Okay. Right here. Okay, let me put my you can see that. So now I shut off the light and you can see the finish of the glass. The same situation here. You can see right here in this area some haze. Usually we do like this and we start checking for haze. Paint. And we touch the surface. That's the key. Touching. We will sanitize and clean. Check for haze. This is haze. Right there. Baseboards. Remove everything that is paint. Vacuum, dusting. It's another room. Beautiful bedrooms. Everything is set. It's fantastic. How cool. We have the artist guy here. He's gonna start doing some drawing in that wall. Jose right now is removing the screens. He protect the sofa. The finish of the mirror is bad. He already removed the screen here. We have to clean the reel. Remove dust. This some caulking there. Where is it? Detail tape here. Mineral deposits. The glass. Another shower. Detail cleaning. Fingerprints. It looks clean, but it's not. Looking for haze, you can see it right there. Even when you touch it, the surface needs to be really smooth. Another bedroom. He moved the night table. You can see splash from paint here. is our car. Amen. Bedroom. This bedroom doesn't have. This bedroom has bathroom. As I mentioned, let me put a flash. Okay, you can see how they clean the glass. This is the reason why they hire us. Okay. I see some rust already. Let's see if we can remove it. If no, this is a chip. This is the reason why I record. Check this out. This is chip already. Just need to notify the owner. Okay. Looking for haze on the surface. It's rough. Glass. Cuidado con las puertas, con los. Okay, this is a night. This painting glows at night. You can see the UV light and it will blow and glow. This is how cool is this? Perfect. Dusting and vacuum. This is another room, another bathroom. You can see the mirror. Looks like something. Acá hay otro screen. Just remove the screen. Now Jose is using the screen washer and he put some surfactant and soapy surfactant soap to wash the screens, remove the construction dust. He's scrubbing right now, then he's gonna rinse it and dry. If you need our services, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us.